niggas, we gorillas. I don't give a fuck.